In this video, we will help you get started with the new online assessment tracker. Our Monster Phonics assessment tracker has been developed to enable you to easily perform assessments online and automatically record the results, saving you time and allowing you to analyse valuable data. It is inclusive as part of your Monster Phonics membership. Add your pupil assessments data at the end of each teaching block to create a heat map and detailed analysis of your children's progress. You can analyse performance for an individual child, a class, a specific segment of children, or a cohort, supporting you to plan next steps in teaching. And no matter what time of year your school or an individual child joins the programme, our baseline assessments mean you can work out exactly where in our progression to start teaching. Let's start. To find the online assessment tracker, log in and click on the Assessment tab, then select Online Assessment Tracker. To enable you to assess, we need to add your children and your class. Step 1. Add your class name. First, add your class name by clicking Add in the Manage Class box. Once added, a unique ID is created for each class. This unique ID is needed for the next steps as you add children. The unique ID can be copied from here, or it can be found by clicking Edit in the Manage Class box. Step 2. Bulk upload child details. Children can be added to the tracker in two ways. You can populate and upload a spreadsheet in bulk, or add individual children. To populate a spreadsheet, download the template by clicking here. Details in red must be added to the spreadsheet. Others are optional additions you may wish to add, but are not essential in the setup process. Add the children's unique class ID, followed by their details. Save the file to your computer. Then, upload the spreadsheet by clicking Choose File, then Upload. Alternatively, you can add children individually by adding their details here. Step 3. Perform an online assessment. Once your class and children have been added, you can select an online assessment. To do this, click Select Online Assessment in the Assess Children box. Simply choose the assessment you need, add the child's name, and begin. The right-hand arrow indicates a correct answer, and the left-hand arrow records an incorrect answer. Step 4. Generating a report. In the reporting box, you have the option to generate a class, individual, or cohort report. The class report gives an overview of a particular assessment and allows you to quickly identify patterns and next steps in learning. Data can be downloaded as a PDF or a CSV document. Individual reports allow you to generate an overview of the assessments taken by one child, a handy snapshot when preparing for parents' evenings or reviews. If you have more than one class, you can use the cohort report to combine the data for one year group. Step 5. Updating assessments. As a child makes progress, you can edit their assessment by clicking the Update Assessment button in the Assess Children box. Select the child and assessment you would like to update. Then click Edit. Here you have the option to correct individual areas, and a handy timestamp indicates when each new correct answer has been achieved. Thank you for joining us to learn about the online assessment tracker. We hope you enjoy using it.